In this video, I'll guide you through how to reset your Capital One mobile banking password. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update it for security reasons, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to open the Capital One mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Alternatively, you can navigate to the login screen on the Capital One website using your computer's browser. Both platforms offer a seamless experience for resetting your password. Once you're on the login screen, look for the option that says Forgot Username or Password. This is your gateway to starting the password reset process. Tap or click on it and you'll be directed to a new screen. Here, you'll need to enter some personal information to verify your identity. This typically includes your last name, your social security number, or SIN if you're in Canada, and your date of birth. Make sure you enter these details accurately to avoid any hiccups in the process. After you've added your personal information, the system might require additional verification. This could involve entering the CVV from your Capital One card or inputting a verification code. The code might be sent to your registered phone number or email address, so keep an eye out for that message to ensure the process continues smoothly. Once your identity is verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before to enhance your account security. It's always a good idea to include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to make it more robust. After setting your new password, you're all set to log in again. Head back to the login screen, enter your username and the freshly created password, and you should be able to access your account without any issues. And that's it. And that's how to reset your Capital One mobile banking password. Keeping your password updated and secure is crucial for protecting your personal and financial information. It's a good habit to change your passwords regularly and to use different ones for different accounts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your password reset needs.